Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy world. Well, like a fairy tale comes true.
What up, beautiful? How you doing? It's Phuong Nghi here and welcome back to my cooking corner. I hope you guys are all ready for this new recipe because this one is the bomb and you should definitely try it because I'm telling you, I'm obsessed. No, I'm obsessed. This recipe was adapted from Miss Meng Chi and I will definitely link her original recipe in my description box. And yes, before we start, hit that like button, also the subscribe button if you haven't because I'm watching you. And you should subscribe me for a better and delicious food every week that you won't get bored of. For you who don't know what is japchae yet, it is a Korean dish that contains stir-fried carrots, beef, mushrooms, spinach. They also have bell pepper or beansprout sometimes, but it's really up to you guys. And they also have eggs with the glass noodles as the main base. They would all mix together with soy sauce, sesame oil. They have sugar, but yeah, I'm not a hoe for sugar in this dish. So I'm gonna opt that one out. I will also add the oyster sauce in because that would make it taste better. So without no further ado, let's jump right in. If you're using dried shiitake mushroom, remember to soak them in hot water for at least 20 minutes. This will allow them to bloom and double in size. Add some garlic to the steak once they've been minced. I have 250 grams of thinly sliced beef. If you want to save time, have the butcher cut them for you at the market. Cut the juicy shiitake into thin strips and add them to the bowl. And then I realized that I should have used a bigger bowl for this one. Add sugar, black pepper, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Sorry folks, no oyster sauce for this one, but we use that later, just not now. Mix it until well combined, then cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for a spa treatment. Moving on to the shallot, mince one big ass shallot, leave aside. Then, one of the most time consuming parts of the recipe, chopping carrots into matchsticks. I start with half a carrot cut into 5mm thick slices. When it comes to the tiny parts, it's a little tricky. Then cut into a smaller piece that looks like a matchstick, hence the name. Bring the water to a boil, then blanch the sorrel for 30 seconds to 1 minute. By the way, I'm not sure if it's called sorrel. Please do correct me if I'm wrong, and you may also use spinach. Then take the sorrel out and squeeze off any excess water. Bring the water back to a boil to blanch the carrots. You can omit this step, I just don't enjoy the pungent scent of raw carrots. Okay, I swear this is the last time. Bring the water to a boil once more, then add the Korean glass noodles, which I got from Go Supermarket. They also called it vermicelli, and mine is the white vermicelli. Cook for 10 minutes or until soft and chewy. When finished, drain and rinse the noodles under cold water to make them chewier. Then add sesame oil to keep them from sticking together.
Now from the top, make it drop, that's some wet. Get a bucket and a mop, that's some.
Next one, egg garnish. Crack a chicken egg, not your eggs. Add a bit of salt, then beat it like you mean it. Heat the pan until it's hot enough, then remove from heat. Add half of the beaten egg and tilt around to spread it thinly. My pan wasn't hot enough. Okay, second round. I'll make sure the pan is boiling hot this time and then turn off the heat and add the egg. Let it cook for 1 minute on each side. Just make sure that you add the proper amount of the mixture so that it spreads thinly and will be cooked thoroughly. Allow to cool before slicing into thin strips. Let's have a taste. Tastes like egg. Hold up. According to Wikipedia and other Korean cuisine blogs, egg garnish is a common topping in Korean cuisine, which egg yolks and egg whites are separated, beaten without creating foam, and pan-fried with little oil into thin sheets without browning. So I did it all wrong. Sorry. I'll leave a link on how to make it properly in my description box. After the cold therapy, I'll take the meat and mushrooms to another session called Sizzling Hot Pan Massage. Cook over medium-high heat until the beef is brown and the mushrooms are soft. Then put them into a clean bowl. I'll use the same pan to stir-fry the shallots along with green onions. Set aside. What just happened? Reheat the pan to stir fry the carrots. Then the bean sprouts. Add little water to soften them quicker. And that is all the color I need for the japchae. Okay, it's time to combine them all. You need something large enough to handle this. I have my mixing bowl with glass noodles here. I'm going to start adding the carrots and spinach. Sorry my baby spinach, your time together is up. Shallots and green onions. Meat and shiitake mushrooms. I'll save the eggs for last because they are so delicate and I don't want to break them. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, some pepper, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, some sesame seed, gloves on, then we'll roll. This one reminds me of the meme where you're putting on gloves in front of your peers versus when you put it on alone. Add the bean sprouts. Oopsie, I forgot my favorite sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Just take more if you want to. Don't be shy. And I think it would smell better with extra sesame oil. Simply taste it in between to get the right balance that you desire. Finally, add our baby eggs. Mix gently and they are ready to serve. 잘 먹겠습니다. What I love the most is the chewiness of the noodles and the vibrant color given by the toppings. The flavor of the mixing sauce is delicious. It has just the right amount of the sesame scent and is quite refreshing. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I did making it. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the recipe. I will see you in my next video. Bye!